Our precious, not the ring, but gold. From ancient time to today, gold has been different meanings, even shape our lives by its properties. In ancient Egypt, people believed the god's flesh made of gold, especially the god Ra, because the properties of gold, that shiny, corrosion resistance, and value. Also, the gods of ancient Egypt was buried with golden goods, like masks or amulets. People believe they can bring them to afterlife, to be honored by gold's value. In another culture, gold is a status symbol and loyalty to traditions that given as a present to bride and groom at weddings thanks to its shiny look, beauty, and value. As in this culture, we have always loved jewelry and creating things that represent our perception of beauty and culture. Gold also used in temples and even health sector, but at the end common point of all its value. Gold has been used as a medium of exchange. In ancient Greece and other nations create their own coins and use it. The value and demand for gold is more than ever. Firstly, reserve of gold in our world is limited, roughly 210,000 of gold mines and less than it left. Even with latest technological equipment, it is hard to find and mine it. That makes it valuable. The second main reason is demand for any purchasable goods or service. If the demand increase, then the price of it increase. The demands from governments as kind of economic insurance, from companies as protection of inflation, and us as last consumer. We want to have it to invest and secure our money from inflation, to have beautiful jewelries, and it is still a status symbol for us. The final reason is gold has been using a new field for last century, electronic, not because other reasons, but gold has excellent conductivity, corrosion resistance that doesn't react with another chemicals make it reliable and last, malleability, make it usable as thin sheets in more compact electronic circuits, and ductility property to create very thick cables which is used in microprocessors, reliable at extreme conditions at high and low temperature. Thanks to all these properties, gold is used in nearly all electronic devices, microprocessors, in computers, smartphones, circuit boards, aerospace, sockets, pins, connectors, military equipment. Here is electron configuration of gold. If you do not know concept of diagonal rule, Hund's rule, orbitals, and shells, we recommend you to watch our first video on our channel. With the first line on diagonal rule, 2 electrons occupy the first shell. With second line, 2 electrons occupy S subshell of second energy level. The first intersection of third line, 6 electrons fill P subshell of second energy level, and 2 electrons stay S subshell of third energy level. First intersection of fourth line, 6 electrons stay P subshell of third energy level, and with second intersection, 2 electrons stay S subshell of fourth energy level. Fifth line, first to fill the third energy level, 6 electrons stay P subshell of fourth energy level, and 2 electrons stay S subshell of fifth energy level. Sixth line intersects 4d, 5p, and 6s, and respectively 10 electron, 6 electron, and 2 electrons stay subshells. With seventh line, the first intersection fill F subshell of fourth energy level with 14 electron, and last 9 electrons stay on D subshell of fifth energy level. We calculate electron configuration of gold as 2 electron at the first shell, 8 at the second, 18 at the third, 32 at fourth, 17 at fifth, and 2 electron at sixth energy level. But as we mentioned our first video in our channel, depends on Hund's rule. Atoms tend to fill D subshells half full or full to reach greater stability. That's why 1 electron at S subshell of 6th energy level move D subshell of 5th energy level. And electron configuration of gold found as 2 electron at the first energy level, 8 at the second, 18 at the third, 32 at the fourth, 18 at the fifth, and 1 electron at the 6th energy level. Valence electron of gold found as 1, which stays at S subshell of 6th energy level. We are going to be making a few examples for every last title, which is electron configuration for now, to help you understand better. Also, these examples will be supportive to next title for you, which is conductor, semiconductor, and insulator. If you want to support us, subscription and liking video is a huge support for us. Also, your comments is important to get us better. Thank you for watching.